guys, I'm back and I'm starting as Mama, and this is our Halloween special, and we have a lot of special surprises. So first of all, we have Little Flash, Big Flash, and our host Hina as Batman, and our little co-host Sarah as Robin. Woo! You try it too.
It tastes delicious.
Yum,
it's delicious.
Try it. Maybe Sarah will have it later. Oh, look. Okay.
We're gonna try the ghost donuts. They're gonna be delicious.
Oh, guys. Bobby, moment.
GoPro, stop.
Okay. Show na baby. Okay, now baby.
I'm gonna try the donuts.
We are all going to try the donuts. Okay. Let's do it. We are starting. Okay.
Turn off.
We'll do one more time.
GoPro, turn off.
Hi guys, I'm back on the show as Mama, and today we're doing a Halloween special, and I'm going to introduce all our special guests. So we have Little Flash and Big Flash, and special guests Batman and Robin, starring your host and your co-host